Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to effectively stop spam messages in Gmail. Spam emails can be a real nuisance, cluttering up your inbox and wasting your time. But worry not, because I've got some simple steps to help you take control of your Gmail and keep those pesky spam messages at bay. So I would like to remind you that you need to stop using your Gmail account to create new accounts. When you use Gmail to create accounts or logins into other websites, be careful not to let those websites send emails to your Gmail inbox. If you trust the website and want updates from it, it is okay to let that website send emails. However, if you don't completely trust a website, make sure the checkbox that says allow us to send updates is unchecked when you sign up. So the first thing that you will need to do is to sign in to your Gmail account and then click the gear icon and click see all settings. And once you're there, you will need to click the filters and block addresses tab, because we will use filters to stop the spam emails. This is the easiest way to stop spam emails. If you are feeling that a certain website or sender is spamming your inbox, you can set up a filter which will automatically flag emails and delete them automatically. So after clicking filters and block addresses, click the icon that resembles three slider bars. It's to the right of the search bar at the top of the page. A window that allows you to specify your search criteria will appear. Next, please enter your search criteria. You can enter email addresses next to from. You can also specify a subject or words an email has or doesn't have. For example, if you want to block spam, the best thing to do is enter email addresses or subjects that you know are spam. If you want to check that your search has worked correctly, click the search button, and then clicking down arrow again will bring the window back with the same search criteria you entered. Next is to click create filter. It's at the bottom of the search menu. This will create a new filter based on your search criteria. Now choose the action you'd like for these messages. Do this by checking the appropriate box. For example, if you want to automatically delete spam, click the checkbox next to delete it to delete the emails that fit your search criteria. And then you need to click create filter. It's the blue button in the lower right corner. This creates a new filter for your emails. And that's it. You now know how to effectively stop spam messages in Gmail. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to stop spam messages in Gmail. See you on my next video.